We've also connected Thinkware Q200 Pro front and rear dash cam. This is the front dash cam. There's a one there on the windscreen, and we've also connected to the mobile app. On there you can see live view when you're in the car. You can download footage if an accident happens. Twist it sideways so you can show bigger. Yeah, and also there's different settings you can adjust. We'll just show you a few of the settings. These are the settings, so you can just click in them. So if something happens in an emergency, you can just go on the dash cam and just view it live. Takes a few seconds to come on, and these are all the files it's recorded.